Hello plant lovers. So this is an aloe vera plant which was grown in my backyard. So this is humongous. So it has been grown abruptly, and today we'll repot it and see how it can survive, because this is one of the xerophytic plants which can sustain any environment, right? So this is one of such plants which is very easy to grow, and it has good medicinal value, antibacterial and antimicrobial property. So this is a plant which doesn't need a lot of water. It can sustain without too much of water. For this I'll be using little bit of extra soil than cocopeat. Why? Because I don't need too much of water retention capacity. So I'm adding this with Tulsi plants which was existing already. So one, it is optimal space utilization. Apart from that, nothing. So you can see these are the roots. You can see this, how humongous this is, and we are repotting and rejuvenating it. Press the soil and here you go. Your aloe vera is repotted. If I need for any medicinal purpose, I just cut it and use it. Even you can do it. And do let me know in the comment section what are the medicinal values you use as aloe vera for, and how do you do it. And don't forget to follow Biotechmaali and share this reel with your friends so that they can also repot or grow aloe vera at their place. Thank you so much, guys.